Hello, today I'm going to show you one of the must have software for Ubuntu. The software name is Stacer. So now I will open the app. Here you can see the app Stacer. This app can monitor your system like CPU, memory, disk, your download and upload speed, and and much more system info. Even you can select the startup application. Even you can clean the various junk file like package caches, crash reports, application log, trash, etc. So it's very easy to use. Even you can search various application. Here you can see you can monitor more. Even this is also a process manager, like you can delete, you can stop end process of any application, and you can observe which application is using uh, how much memory and CPU. Even you, you can see here what kind of package is being installed in your system, and this is also an uninstaller, so you can uninstall any program using this application. And here you can see the uses, you can see the graph of your various uses, the settings of network, and much more. And this application is very easy to use, user friendly, and you can download it from Ubuntu software store, and just by searching Stacer. So just click and install. Thank you very much.